Good morning, all the students. Uh, Today we will solve the remaining two questions of practice set 4.1. This is the sixth question. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all its median and altitude and write your observation. Right. First, what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Whose two sides are equal, right, in length. Then it is called as isosceles triangle. So I have drawn triangle DEF, where DE and DF are congruent or same, right? It is having the length of 8 centimeter, and EF, it is 10 centimeter, right? So it is isosceles triangle, right? So first we will draw the medians, right? And now you know, for the medians we will take the first we will take midpoints of all the sides. So here it is 10, so the midpoint will be 5. Here it is 8 centimeter, so midpoint will be 4. Again it is 8, so the midpoint will be 4. Then I will join all the lines. I will name it. So suppose D, this is A, then suppose E, then this is B, and F, so C, right? And this point is called as your G, that is centroid, right? So these are the three medians. Now with the help of set square we will draw the perpendicular, that is altitude, right? So from D, we can see, right, that DA, right, which is median, it is also the perpendicular. But here the perpendicular is different. So this is the perpendicular. Right, so I will draw all the three perpendicular. Let's name it. Right, so these are the three perpendicular. That is, first is DA, second is EM, and third is FL, right? So in the case of 3, means altitude, the point of concurrence, that is O, is here, right? So we can say that, right, what is our observation here, students, right? The point of concurrence of medians, that is centroid, and point of concurrence of altitude, that is orthocenters, right, is lie on the perpendicular line, right? In case of isosceles triangle they are not same, right, but they lie on one of the altitude, right, that is point G and point O. I hope you have understood this. Then the last question, that is seventh one. For this we will use this property. So I will read it. First, filling the blanks. So this is the triangle ABC, and here point G is given. G means, that is centroid, right? Means all these three given lines are what? The median. That is, AP is median, BQ is also the median, and CR is also the median, right? So we will read the one by one the question. That is, first question. point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then first, length RG is given as 2.5. We have to find out length GC is equal to question mark, right? We know the property because of the centroid, the median is divided in the ratio that is 2:1, right? So we have to consider this point R. So we will take this, that is here in case of this RG and uh, GC, right? But we know that is from C we have to count, right? That is 2:1 we have to count. So we will count from point G, C. So here we will write CG. So CG upon GR is equal to 2:1. 2:1 means you know that is 2 upon 1. Therefore we will put the values, that is GC, right? GC is nothing, CG is nothing but GC. So I, instead of CG, I will write that is GC, right? Because in the question it is given as GC. GR means you know that is RG, and it is given as 2.5 is equal to 2 upon 1. In the next step we will do the cross multiplication, that is 1 GC upon 2.5 is equal to 2 upon 1 is there. So 1 here division is there, it will go into the numerator. 2.5, right? Denominator is there, it will go into numerator, right? So I will get here GC multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2.5, and therefore GC is equal to, we know that is 2 multiplied by 2.5, right? So we'll do that, 2 into 5, so 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 and 1 that is 5, and before one digit is point is there, so I will write the point as here. So our answer is GC is equal to 5 unit, right? I hope you have understood this. Then the second question, if BG is 6, BG is given as 6, then we have to find out what is the meaning, what is BQ means total, we have to find out. So for that first we will use this again same concept, that is median is divided by the centroid in the ratio 2:1, right? So here we will write BG upon GQ is equal to 2:1, right? So first we'll calculate for GQ. So here BG they have given as 6, so I will write here 6 upon GQ is equal to 2 upon 1. Then we will do the cross multiplication, that is 6 into 1 is equal to 2 into GQ, right? So here 2 is in multiplication, so it will become division, right, while coming on this side. So 6 into 1 is 6 and upon 2. So GQ, you know that 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, right? So I will get 3 is equal to GQ, or GQ is equal to 3 unit, right? But we have to find out BQ, right? So if we see the diagram carefully, so what is BQ? BQ is nothing but the addition of BG and GQ. So I will write that BQ is equal to BG plus GQ, right? So they have given BG as 6, so I will write here 6 plus GQ. Now we have calculated, that is GQ is 3, so I will write here as 3, and the total 6 plus 9, you know that it is 9 unit, right? So our answer is what? BQ is equal to 9 unit. Then we will solve the last point, that is if AP is given as 6, right? They have given total AP as 6. Then we have to find out what is the meaning of AG and what is the meaning of GP, right? So here we know that, right, the ratio of AG, right, upon GP that will be what? Ag upon Gp will be, right? So I will write here the ratio of Ag upon Gp will be 2:1. That means what? If you will cross multiply, so Ag is equal to 2 times Gp, right? We will get this relation here, that is Ag is equal to 2 times Gp, right? And we will assume that let Ag be x, right? And therefore if Ag is x, then what is, we will consider Ag as 2x, right? And Gp as x, right? Because Gp is small, right? So I will take this Gp as x, and we know that Ag is 2 times Gp, therefore we will take Ag as 2 times x, right? I hope you have understood this, right? And we know that is AP is equal to, right? AP is nothing but Ag plus Gp, so I will write that AP is equal to Ag plus Gp, right? They have given the value of AP, that is AP is 6, so I will write here 6 is equal to Ag. Just now we have mentioned that is Ag is 2x and Gp is 1x. So we will do the addition 2x plus 1x, that is 3x. Right? So since 3x is 6, 3 here multiplication, it will come here as a denominator. So you know 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Right? So we have got the answer as 2. Right? So therefore x is equal to 2 unit. Right? And what is x? X is what? Gp. So therefore Gp is equal to 2 unit, right? Now we will calculate for Ag, that is Ag is equal to, right? So Ag is equal to 2x, therefore Ag is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, right? Since x is 2 unit, right? So right here x is equal to 2 unit, therefore Gp is also 2 unit, right? So I have written as Ag is equal to 2x, right? 2x means what? 2 multiplied by x, and x is 2, so I have written 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is what? 4 unit, right? So here Ag is also, Ag is 4 unit, so we have got the answer as length Ag is equal to 4 unit and length Gp is equal to 2 unit, right? uh, I hope you have understood the exercise or practice set 4.1, right? If you have any doubt, then uh, 2 to 3 times see the video or watch the video 2 to 3 times, right? Okay. All of you, thank you.